Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to connect Wi-Fi network manually Windows 11. We will open the control panel from the search box. There, click on the line Network and Internet. After that, click on the Network and Sharing Center. Now open the option Set up a new connection or network. In these options, select Manually connect to a wireless network. Click Next. Then, enter the name of the network, determine the type of security, and complete the process based on the security protocol that was selected. You can check the boxes below if you need to. Click Next to connect this Wi-Fi network manually. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.